Hey guys, I'm Kift. This is my first video in the YouTube channel. I'm so excited. Okay, today I will show you how to make stir-fried tofu with mixed vegetables and chicken. So the first ingredient is a chicken and onion spring. Okay, and the next one is a garlic, black pepper 1 tablespoon, and sugar. This is very important. Sugar is around 1 tablespoon. Some carrot and tofu. It's an egg tofu. Bit of salt. Himalaya salt. Today I used Himalaya salt, and soy sauce and oyster sauce. Okay, now time to cook. Okay, let's go. Now I will put the cooking oil for a little bit, and after that wait till it hot. So after the oil is hot, I will put the garlic and just wait for 1 or 2 minutes till the garlic is a good smell. After that you can put the next ingredients. Now I will wait for 1 or 2 minutes for make sure the chicken is cooked. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone. Goodbye.